Good evening, everybody. This is Dr. Lennon. I have three big announcements. Okay, let's see. Announcement number one. First off, thank you all very much for your well wishes regarding the death of my mother. I really appreciate it. Several of you have sent me emails, several more have even come to my office. That was very sweet of you. All right. In light of that second announcement, in light of both that as well as the various school closings we've had, everything from power outages to polar vortexes to on and on, what I've done is the assignments for this week, week 6, are now all due on week 7. So they're all due next Saturday, March 9th. All right? And I'm looking at the website now from a student view. All right, so this is exactly as you will see it. And you can see I've got Module 1 there, of course, which you've finished. But I also got Module 2 now. All right. And I've added something on each of the weeks. You're going to see now I put the dates up there, so it'll be easier for you. I've intentionally not set the dates because I found when you set the dates, it can close it out and students can't get back in, so I manually put in the dates up there. All right, so let's go ahead and look at week 6. All right, week 6, if you look at the checklist, all right, it's taking forever here. Bear with me a second. Here we go. I want you to read chapter 2 from your text, continue reading your textbook. Basically, just keep reading your textbook constantly, okay? You're going to have it. But the big one is, for the activity, is familiarize yourself with the Kickstarter website. Kickstarter is one of several crowdfunding websites where would-be startup firms use as a platform for financing. Each product, or typo has, to describe the business or product they are proposing and the amount of financing they're trying to raise. To get a sense of it, here's a link to some of the more popular Kickstarter campaigns. Because what I'm going to want you to do is find a Kickstarter project or startup business that you think is interesting, and then do a lean canvas analysis on it. Simple? All right. And then here you can see the assignment. Analyze a Kickstarter of your own choosing. After choosing a Kickstarter project which you find interesting, please use the lean canvas template. And here's the template right here. It looks just like all the other last one. After you've completed your lean canvas analysis, save the file as SP19 for Kickstarter, your last name. Be sure to include your name and the Kickstarter project name in the Excel spreadsheet. And then post it up to Dropbox. And again, it's due next week, March 9th, Saturday by 11:59 p.m. And you can see important this due date has been extended due to the reasons I just stated before. All right. Now, in addition, if you want to know more about Kickstarter, what it's all about is I found a neat little YouTube video, and I would suggest that you watch that. Waiting for it to come up. Here we go. Right here. Okay, there we go. Taking forever here. There's what is Kickstarter? Click on this. It's like 4 minutes long or so. It'll tell you everything there is to know about. So that was week 6 stuff, but it's due next week. Now, week 7. That was actually straightforward. Week 7 is your Module 2 quiz. I just finished making it. It's very straightforward. It's 20 questions, true, false, multiple choice. All of the questions are drawn from the second half of the lean canvas analysis. So I want you to study the key activities section, the cost block, the resources block. Those are the ones that you should hone in on. If you're familiar with the blocks from the lean canvas, you should do fine on this one. All right, and that is due on March 9th as well. All right. Finally, for week 8. Hey, great. That is spring break, and you can see my checklist is very straightforward. It's taking forever here, but enjoy your spring break, stay safe. Assignments, enjoy your spring break, stay safe. You don't have any assignments during spring break. Go have a good time and relax. Okay. If you have any questions about any of this, please email me. And again, thank you for your patience and your well wishes during my time of trouble. Take care, guys. Bye.